Do you know what the inside layout of this container house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 40 feet 2 shipping containers. The total area I've taken is the length is 40 feet in meter 12.19 meter and the width is 16 feet in meter 4.87 meter. So in the front we have outdoor sitting area here. After that we'll go inside. So we have a sliding door here. On the left side we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement, and also a window for ventilation and light purpose. And on the left side we have common use washroom plus water closet here. You can see here the wash basin, water closet, and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. If we go on the front side, so we have living plus kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, and also a TV on the front wall, and we have a large glass panel for ventilation and light purpose. On the right side we have kitchen cabinet with burner, and on the other side we have sink and refrigerator arrangement and a large glass panel for ventilation and light purpose of kitchen area. Also back side we have dining counter with 3 chairs and large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. If we go on the right side, so we have bedroom number 2 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, study table with chair and wardrobe arrangement, and we have attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet, and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.